I need an urgent diagnosis. This is the first time I've ever planted black-eyed peas. They came up quickly and looked great. But yesterday, when I was checking my garden, this is what I saw. When I researched it, I kept coming up with curly top. That scares me because they are near my peppers and tomatoes. Will curly top affect my nearby plants? So what do you think about that one, Alainia? We'll start with you. Curly top, black-eyed peas.
If they're getting it, then your tomatoes and your peppers would be very susceptible to it.
Okay.
And you can definitely tell when the tomatoes and peppers get it because they've got a mottled growth generally at the top where they're starting to grow incorrectly.
Right, so you see the puckered leaves, right? Kind of discoloration. Could be a virus.
Virus, okay.
Right? Of course, the leafhopper actually transmits that virus. So what you have to do is make sure you don't have weeds, around the area, right? Yeah. So that's something else I would look at. And then resistant varieties. I always like to come back to that, right?
Good.
So it's always good to go with resistant varieties. So yeah, be careful, like you said, Alainia, because your tomatoes and peppers are in the same family, right? So they can definitely be susceptible to the curly top. So yeah, the research was done here. Yeah, it's a good picture. Yeah, they did some research, right? But yeah, we're thinking virus, maybe a little drift. Control those weeds, so you won't have those leafhoppers.
So you watch it for a while, but if if it gets worse, it probably won't produce.
It probably will not.
You probably have to
I agree with you on that.
In there.
Right. So you might have to just consider doing that somewhere else.
Just somewhere, plant it somewhere.
Yeah, put it somewhere else.
And you got a virus, be careful how you take it out of the garden too. You might want to put it in a bag or something when you move it out of the garden.
That's right.
The way you have it located, yeah.
Yeah, that's a good point. Practice good sanitation, folks. Yeah. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.